Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about how to make the mask invisible or change the mask color. So in the display settings there is a new option to change the color of the mask. So okay, I'll show you. Okay, first this is our test object, and so I'm using the mask at the moment here, and this is, yeah, sorry. Okay, so here this is the default color of the mask. Maybe I do it like this here. And so here in the display settings there's now an option to change the color of the mask, so you can change it to red or maybe green, like you want. And here is a reset button, back to default. But the interesting thing is when you change here the color to pure white, so pick this and put it in the corner here, then the mask, so you see here at the moment the sphere is white, and this is blue and this is green and the sphere is white. So when you put it to a white color, then it's not white, then it's transparent, because you can see here a white mask on the green thing here. So when you change here the thing, you see it, but when it's white, then it's transparent, invisible. But the mask is still active. So when you play here on the sphere, you see here the mask is still there. So sometimes it's useful to make the mask invisible, and yeah, so white color, then it's transparent. That's it. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.